to HOTT, the Hybrid and Online Teacher Training course at Craven Community College. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to add an instructor bio to your course. The purpose of an instructor biography is to let your students know that you're a real person and that they have a real teacher and that this is not just an automated course because it's online. It's very important to have instructor presence and that students feel connected to you as their teacher. So one way we do that is with the instructor bio. So this is my course and it's very simple. I have an introduce yourself label, and one of the items in there is an about your instructor. I made this in a Moodle page, and there's another item that's an introduce yourself forum, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But these are two ways to get your students connected to you and to the other students. So mine is simple. If I open this up, it's made in a Moodle page, which is covered in another tutorial, and I really just tell them a little bit about myself, nothing too personal, but just enough so that they have an idea of who I am and what I'm all about. This is a simple way to do it. Another instructor has done something a little more complex, and this instructor actually created a welcome video from your instructor. So this is another example. This instructor has put her bio underneath her instructor block within. So we have the instructor block here, and then underneath she just writes a little bit about herself. So be creative, find out a way to connect with your students, and just tell them a little bit about yourself in an instructor bio. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic of instructor bio. See you next time.